Hey everyone, welcome back to HowToHub. In this video, I'll show you how to change your Google Chrome location on PC. Let's get started. First, open Google Chrome and search for "What's my current location" to see your current location. Now, to change it, open a new tab and search for Location Guard extension. Click on the first link and select Add to Chrome. Once added, click on the Extensions button in Chrome and pin Location Guard. Next, open Location Guard and go to Options. Select Fixed Location, then zoom out and drag the map to set your new location. After setting the location, go to Options again and set Default Level to Use Fixed Location. Now, reload the previous tab and click Update Location. You'll now see your location has changed successfully in Google Chrome. And that's it! If this video was helpful, make sure to like and subscribe to HowToHub for more easy tutorials. See you in the next one.